Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today we're going to make Beyond Meatball sandwich. Beyond Meatballs are Italian style plant-based meatballs. They're gluten-free, soy-free, and have 19 grams of plant protein per serving. So I'm going to make 2 meatball sandwiches with these plant-based meatballs, and we're going to find out if it compares to the real meatball sandwich. Beyond Meatballs meatball sandwich. I'm making 2 meatball sandwiches. The first sandwich I'm gonna make with Rayo's homemade tomato basil sauce. The second sandwich I'm gonna make with the Meatball shop tomato basil sauce. We're gonna use this beautiful mozzarella cheese, and this is the bread for our 2 meatball sandwiches. Our meatballs are done and ready to go. Now we're going to assemble the sandwich. Looks like 5 meatballs fit into this bun. I'm going to use some beautiful Rayo's tomato basil. Just beautiful, look at that. Oh. Outstanding. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. Now just cover it with a beautiful mozzarella cheese. It's a little windy out here, so I'm trying to keep it all in the sandwich and not have all this, everything fly around. That looks really good. That looks really good. A little bit of parsley for color. There's the meatball sandwich. This is our pre-baked meatball sandwich with Beyond Meatballs. I'm gonna repeat. Top it off with that beautiful mozzarella cheese. Give it some color. Here we go, guys. This is what the finished product looks like. 2 Beyond Meat meatball sandwiches. This one's with Rayo's sauce. It's going to my wife because she loves Rayo's sauce. This is going to be my Beyond Meat meatball sandwich with the Meatball shop tomato sauce. So there's only one thing left to do. Let's eat them. Let's find out how they match up with the real meatball sandwich. Here's the sandwich, guys. The Beyond Meatball sandwich. It looks really good. Still windy out here. The sandwich looks real good. Smells great. The meatballs smell like real meatballs. So let's test them out. Let's try them out. I gotta tell you, it tastes like the real meatball. Unbelievable. If you didn't tell me this was fake, I wouldn't I wouldn't be able to tell. There's no way. Wow, outstanding. Beyond Meat, I'm a fan. I tried their burger patty. It was great. 90% of the real beef taste. Meatballs, same thing. 90% of the real meat taste, seasoned beautifully. You feel like you're eating Italian meatballs. Next thing I'm gonna try from them is the sausage. They make Beyond Sausage. I'm gonna try that too. Why not? Try it out and see what happens. This sandwich is a real deal meatball sandwich. If plant-based food is something that you want to find out about, or something that you need if you can't eat meat, or you want to cut down on your red meat intake, Beyond Meat, they make great stuff, man. I'm a fan. I still have a steak in the fridge though. I'm not quitting on that just yet. But every now and then, Beyond Meat, great stuff. That's all I got for you guys in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.